Today we will do the question answers of chapter number 17 using electricity. The first question is, what is the function of a powerhouse? Look here, this is a picture of powerhouse or power station. Electricity is made in a big building called a power station. The electricity takes along thick wires. These are the thick wires of electricity which hang on tall pylons. Pylons are tower used to support electrical or other wires. These powerhouse produce electricity and send it to our homes. The question number 2 is, give a brief description that how a bulb lights join with a battery. Take two wires and connect with the battery or cell. When the wires are connected to the battery and the bulb, electricity flow from the battery to the bulb and then the bulb lights up. You can see here the bulb lights up and the electricity are flow through the circuit. The question number 3 is, name some things through which electricity cannot flow and what is its advantage. The things in which electricity cannot flow are called insulator. And these are the examples of insulator: glass, plastic, rubber, wood, fabric, wool, paper. These are the examples in which electricity cannot flow. And their advantage is these things protect us from electric shock. Question number 4 is, what is electric circuit? We make a circuit with the help of battery, wires, bulb and switch. All these things make a simple circuit. The path that electricity takes is called a circuit. Fifth question is, what is electric current? Look here, the flow of electricity is called an electric current. The sixth question is, what is switch and what is its use? Look here, a switch is like a bridge or gate. When the switch is up, there is a gap. You can see here, there is a gap. And electricity cannot flow through a gap. So the bulb will not light. But when the switch is down, the gap is closed and electricity flow through the circuit. You can see here the bulb lights. The seventh question is, how can we save electricity? We can save electricity by turning off extra lights and fans. The second way is turn off electric appliances which are not using them: light bulb, TV, microwave oven, electric juicer, electric toaster, etc. Close door and window when the air conditioner is on. In this way, we can save electricity in our homes. Good morning, class 3. Hope you all are fine. I'm your science teacher and my name is Miss Rabia. Today, we will do the back exercise of chapter number 17 using electricity. The first question of the back exercise is, put a true for true and a false for false. Give a reason for your answer. And the first statement is, electricity is only produced in power station. So this statement is wrong. Now we write the reason of first statement. The reason of first statement is, electricity is also produced by batteries. Electricity is made in a big building called a power station. In power station, the electricity goes along thick wires which hang on tall pylons. These pylons are also called electric tower. But electricity can also come from batteries. This one is a battery or a cell. A battery can light up a bulb. And in a circuit, electricity flow from the battery to the bulb. The second statement is electricity can flow through all things. This statement is wrong. The reason of second statement is electricity flows through metals. Look here, these are the things which are made up of metals. Most metals are good conductors of electric current because electricity flows through them easily. Metals such as copper, silver, gold, aluminium, salted water and graphite are the examples of these. But some material like oil, rubber, glass and wood are not allowed the electric current to pass through them. The third statement is each electric appliance has a circuit. So this statement is true. You can see here this is a simple circuit which have battery, wires and bulb. All the electric appliance has a circuit like this. Look here, this is another example of electric appliance. You put a switch on or off whenever you want to use or not. A switch for a bulb is pressed down to complete a circuit, the bulb glow. The fourth statement is a switch is like a gate. So this statement is true. You can see here a switch in a circuit is like a bridge or gate. When the switch is up, there is a gap and electricity cannot flow through a gap and the bulb will not light up. But when the switch is down, gap is closed. You can see here the gap is closed. So the electricity flow through the circuit and the bulb light. The last statement is we should keep the windows open if an air conditioner is on. So this statement is wrong. Now we write the reason of third statement. The reason is we should keep the windows closed if an air conditioner is on. When the air conditioner is on, we should keep the windows and doors are closed because through this way we can save electricity in our homes.